Hello students, from this video we are going to the start second sem. In second sem there are two mathematical subjects for FY BSc Computer Science, Math first, Linear Algebra, Math second, Graph Theory. In this video we are starts Math first, Linear Algebra. There are 4 chapters in Math first. First chapter is vector spaces, second eigenvalues and eigenvectors, third orthogonality and symmetric matrices, and last chapter is the geometry of vector spaces. Let's start chapter number 1, vector spaces. First, what is meant by vector space? Definition of vector space is: a vector space is a non-empty set of objects called vectors with two operations called addition and multiplication by scalars. Scalars means real numbers which satisfy the following 10 axioms. UVW belongs to capital V and CD belongs to R. Here CD are the scalars and UVW are nothing but the vectors which are belongs to capital V. First axiom is U plus V belongs to V. Means when we take two vectors and their addition also belongs to V, and this property is known as closure under addition. Second, U plus V equal to V plus U. This is nothing but the commutative property. Next, U plus V plus W equal to U plus V plus W, associativity property. Next, 0 belongs to capital V such that U plus 0 equal to U. Additive identity. Here 0 is nothing but the additive identity. Next, U plus V such that U plus minus U equal to 0, means minus U is the inverse of U. Minus U is the additive inverse. Next, C into U belongs to V, where C belongs to R, closure under scalar multiplication. C into U belongs to V means closure under scalar multiplication. Next, C into U plus V equal to C into U plus C into V, distributive property. Next, C plus D into U equal to C into U plus D into U, distributive property. This is the right distributive and this is nothing but the left distributive property. Next property is associative property under multiplication. C into D into U equal to C into D into U. And last property is multiplicative identity, 1 into U equal to U. Here 1 is multiplicative identity of capital V. Also it is called as scalar identity because 1 belongs to R. That's why this property is called as scalar identity. When capital V satisfies all these 10 axioms, then and then we can say that capital V is the vector space under addition and multiplication. Note, in many books, members of V are often denoted as U bar, V bar, etc. Next property, for each U belongs to V and a scalar C, prove that first 0 into U equal to 0, second C into 0 equal to 0, and third minus U equal to minus 1 into U. Just a minute. Proof. First, to show that 0 into U equal to 0. First consider left hand side. 0 into U equal to 0 can be write as 0 plus 0 into U. By using distributive property, we can write 0 into U plus 0 into U by distributive property. Now add negative of 0 into U. Add negative of 0 into u, that is minus 0 into u at both sides of above equation. Both sides of above equation. Therefore, this equation becomes 0 into u plus minus 0 into u equal to 0 into u plus 0 into u plus minus 0 into u. 0 into u plus minus 0 into u equal to 0. And here we use associativity property under addition. Means 0 into u plus 0 into u plus minus 0 into u by associativity property, or you can say that associativity axiom. So 0 equal to 0 into u plus 0 into u plus minus 0 into u becomes 0, which implies 0 equal to 0 into u plus 0, 0 into u by additive identity. Additive identity. Hence, here we shown that 0 into u equal to 0. Now, second, to show that c into 0 equal to 0, first consider left hand side and then show that left hand side equal to right hand side. C into 0 equal to 0 can be write as c into 0 plus 0. By using distributive property, this equal to c into 0 plus c into 0 by distributive property. Property or law, you can say that. Now add minus c into 0 on both sides of this equation. Now add minus c into 0 to both sides of above equation. So this equation becomes c into 0 plus minus c into 0 plus c into 0 equal to c into 0 plus c into 0 plus minus c into 0. C into 0 plus minus c into 0 becomes 0 equal to, this is equal, c into 0 plus c into 0 plus minus c into 0 by associativity property. Here in given statement we assume that capital V is nothing but the vector space. That's why here we use distributive property, associativity property, additive identity. Now by using associative property, this equation becomes 0 equal to c into 0 plus c into 0 plus minus c into 0 equal to 0, which implies 0 equal to c into 0 plus 0, c into 0 by additive identity. Additive identity. So c into 0 equal to 0 proved. Third one, now to show that minus u equal to minus 1 into u. That is to show that minus 1 into u is negative of u. That is to show that minus 1 into u is negative of u. Minus 1 into u is negative of u. Means we have to show that u plus minus 1 into u equal to 0. U plus minus 1 into u can be write as 1 into u plus minus 1 into u. Now here we used distributive property 1 plus minus 1 into u by distributive property. So 1 plus minus 1 0, 0 into u, and in first one we have already shown that 0 into u equal to 0. means 0 into u equal to 0. So here we get u plus minus 1 into u equal to 0, which implies minus 1 into u is negative of u, that is minus 1 into u equal to minus u proved. Here we stop.